In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Telegram account on Android. First, if you don't have the Telegram app on your phone, you need to install it from Google Play Store. Launch the Google Play Store app. In the bottom right corner, click on the search icon. In the top search bar, search for Telegram. Tap on the Install button beside the Telegram app. Wait for the app to download and install. After the installation process is complete, tap on Open. Tap on Start Messaging. Now you have to give some permissions to run the app. These permissions are for receiving and managing calls so that Telegram can confirm your phone number. Give the necessary permissions from here. Now you have to add your phone number. Tap on the Countries section and select your country from here. This will open a country code in the phone number section. Now type your phone number in the box and tap on the right arrow. A pop-up should appear to recheck your number. In the pop-up, tap on Yes. A couple of permissions will be needed in this part again. Give the necessary permissions and don't worry, it will not do any harm to your device. Now you have to give your email address here. You can sign up with Google or you can add the email manually. I will add the email address manually and tap on the right arrow. A verification code will be sent to your provided email address. Copy the verification code from there and paste it here. Another verification code will be sent to your phone number via SMS or call. Just like before, give the verification code in the box. Now you have to add some information to your profile. Type your first name and last name here. You can also change your profile picture from here, but I will leave it as it is. After you are done, click on the right arrow. Here, our Telegram account has been created successfully.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.